In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus is stuck, frozen, or unresponsive. Now to fix this issue, you will have to do a force restart on your iPhone. To do that, just grab your iPhone, now just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now after you do that, then quickly press and hold on the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. And once you see the Apple logo on the screen, you just wait for a couple of seconds for your iPhone to reboot. And after you do that, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. Now hopefully your issue will be fixed after the force restart. Now let's say if you have done all of that and if your issue is still not fixed, then just perform the force restart again and just do that twice or 3 times. Then hopefully your issue will be fixed. Now if you have done the force restart 2 or 3 times on your iPhone and if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem. Now in that case, just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.